Welcome. All right, so if you think I'm going to graph 18 pi over 2, you're crazy, because I'm not, all right? What I'm going to use is I'm going to use coterminal angles. Remember, coterminal angles are angles that have the exact same initial and terminal side. Now remember, when finding coterminal angles, well, actually not even when finding coterminal angles, let's step back a little bit. Remember, if I'm starting my angle here on my initial side, and I go halfway around a circle, that's pi, and then all the way around a circle would be 2 pi, right? So if I have a denominator of 2, I can rewrite that as 2 pi over 2. And this I can rewrite, if that's 2 pi, that's the same thing as 4 pi over 2. So what I'm going to do, 18 pi over 2 has a lot of revolutions, right? It goes around and around and around and around and around a lot of times. Because you can say, here's 1 pi over 2, 2 pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, 4 pi over 2. I'm not going to count to 18, all right? Now, I could do this in my head, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, at least algebraically, how to find the smallest coterminal angle. And what we do is we just add or subtract, or sometimes add and sometimes keep on subtracting 2 pi, or 360 if it's in degrees, to find our smallest coterminal angle. So I don't want to add 2 pi to this, because that's not going to give me the smallest positive coterminal angle. So I'm going to have to subtract 2 pi. By subtracting 2 pi, I have minus 4 pi over 2. However, that's just going to give me 14 pi over 2. And that's still going to be an angle that I can keep on subtracting from. So that gives me 14 pi over 2. I subtract again. That gives me 10 pi over 2. Subtract again. That gives me 6 pi over 2. Subtract again. That gives me 2 pi over 2. So 4, 8, 12, 16 pi over 2 minus 18 pi over 2 gives me 18 pi over, or 2 pi over 2, which is just pi, which I messed up because you obviously just could have also done 18 divided by 2 and got 9 pi, which would have been the exact same thing, but whatever. I'm sorry. So anyways, we just need to determine what is the point at pi. So our point at pi is going to be halfway around our circle here. So that coordinate point, if this is 1, 0, then on the other side is going to be negative 1 over 0. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you determine the point for one with multiple coterminal angles. Thanks.